Hello my students, how are you? Grade 4. Today we'll solve model number 3 from المعاصر book, Giza Governorate. First question shows the correct answer. The value of digit 7 in the number 476,315 is 7 here lies in 10,000. Then the value of 7 it will be 70,000. Choose letter D. We have how many digits after 7? We have 4 digits. So put 4 zeros right hand side about 7. The result will be 70,000. 70,000. Okay. Next question. The area of square whose side length 5 cm will be 5 times 5 equal 25. The area of square is side by side. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. Next question. We can find the value of y here. Solve this equation. Y equals 321 subtract by 300. The result will be 21. It's the difference between two numbers. Next question. Comparing between two numbers, we have the same digits. We have 6 digits and here's 6 digits. Then look at the left hand side. 6 equals 6, 2 equals 2, 3 equals 3, 5 equals 5, 6 greater than 5. It shows letter C. Okay. Next question. Down. The additive identity element 0. Additive identity 0. 0 is additive identity because 0 plus a number equals the same number. Choose letter E. Week and 7 days. We know more 1 week equals 7 days. 7 plus 5 is 12. The answer will be letter C. The smallest prime number is 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. 5 liter equal 5,000 milliliter. Convert from liter to milliliter by direct by 1,000. Next question. 26 divided by 4 equals 6, and the remainder what? We know 4 times 6 is 24, and the remainder 2. The result will be 2. Okay. 4 times 6 equals 24. Count from 24 to 26, and the remainder will be 2. Next question, number 2. Answer the following. I'll apply properties of multiplication to solve. 2 times 5 times 7. Used here associative properties. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 times 7 equals 70. And the answer here will be 70. Next question. Rectangle length 8 cm and width 2 cm. Finds the parameter. The parameter equal twice the sum of lengths and widths. Length here was 8 and width 2. Then we have 2 product by 10 equal 20 cm. The parameter equal 20 centimeter. Next question. Find the difference between two numbers. We have 8,638 subtracted by 2,516. 8 minus 6 equal 2. 3 minus 1 equal 2. 6 minus 5 equal 1. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Easy question to find the difference between two numbers in one step. Okay. Approximate it to the nearest 100. Okay, we have 6,438. Look at left hand side. About 100 place. Put double 0. 3 less than 5. Any digit less than 5 we called it board digits. Can give 1 to left hand side. 3 can give 1 to 4. Right? 4 and 6. The result will be 6,400. Next question. Noah has 6,254 points. Her father gave her 2,345 points. How much money does she have now? We can collect together. 6,234 into 2,345. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 4 plus 3 equals 7. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And 6 plus 2 equals 8. The result will be 8,579 pounds with here. Next example here, number 6. Find the highest common factor of 10 and 15. We know highest common factor between them equal 5. Because 10 equal 2 times 5 and 15 equivalent to 5 product by 3. Then the highest common factor, highest common factor between them equal 5. Next question here. List the following matches least to greatest. The list here The smallest number, we have 5 kilogram is the smallest weight, okay? 5 kilogram, and then 13 kilogram, and then 21,000 gram, and also 24,000 gram, okay? Next question. Okay, I finished. Now I will complete question number 4. 36 divided by 5 equals 7 and the middle one, then the dividend here is 36. 36 we call this the dividend and divisor is 5. 7 is a quotient, remainder 1, then the dividend will be 36. Choose letter C. Next question. The side length of square 4 centimeters in its area 4 by 4 equals 16 square centimeter. We called it area of square. The area will be 16 square centimeter. 13 plus 0 equals 13. 13 plus 0 equals 13. 0 here we called it additive identity. 0 is additive identity. Choose letter C. The value of digit 7 is the number here. 7 lies in 10 million. 70 million. 7 lies in tens million. Okay. Tens million. 7 lies in tens million. Count behind 7. We have 7 zeros. We have 7 and 7 0 behind it. It will be 70 million. 2 days. How many hours? We know 1 day equal 24 hours. 24 plus 24 equal 48. And 2 days equal 48 hours. The result will be 48 hours. Next question. Choose the correct answer. Round the number to the nearest thousand. We have 235,621 approximated to the nearest thousand. Put 3 0 1 2 3. 5 can give 1 to 5, yes. 6 and 3 and 2. The result will be 236,000. 236,000. Choose letter C. Next question. 850 times m equal 850. Product by 1. Any number product by 1 is equal the same number because 1 is additive identity with multiplication. Multiplicative identity. Okay, 1 is a multiplicative identity. Identity 0. We have here plus, we must choose 0, but we have product. 850 product by 1 equal 850. Then 1 here multiplicative identity. Choose 1. Okay. 1 product by 850 equal 850 because 1 is a multiplicative identity. Next question. 18 can divided by what? Can divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. And 18 is 6 times the number 3 because 3 times 6 equals 18. Choose letter B. The prime number has 2 factors. Any prime number has 2 factors. Can divide by itself and 1 only. Okay, then the prime number has 2 factors. The prime number has 2 factors. 2 can divide by itself and 1. Okay, has 2 factors. A number like 7. 7 is a prime number. Can divide by itself and 1. Has 2 factors. Next question. Answer the following. We have here bar diagram. By the you won't find x. The opposite model represents the product between 5 times 23. We can find x. X equals 3 times 5. Value of x here equal 15. Product length and width. The length was 5 and width 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Next question, letter B. Rectangle length 7 cm and width 3 cm. Find its perimeter. The perimeter of rectangle equal twice the sum of length and width. We have here rectangle. We have length repeated twice and width repeated twice. This is the perimeter equal twice the sum of length and width. The length was 7 cm and width was 3. 7 plus 3 10. 10 times 2 equal 20. This is the perimeter equal 20 cm. Next question here, number 2. Find the product of 234 by 2. 234 product by 2. 2 times 4 equal 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 4. The result will be 468. Next example here. Use order operation to find the answer. We know parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition, subtraction from left hand side, right hand side, first come, first serve. Parentheses first. 8 plus 2 equal 10. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then the answer here will be 5. Next question. In the opposite bar models, we can find the value of y. We find the difference between two numbers. Y equivalent to the difference between 250 and 150. Right? 100 is the difference between two numbers. Next question. The greatest common factor between 12 and 10. We have 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 equal 12. And also 10 equal 2 times 5. And the height common factor between them equal to, right? GCF, this common factor between two numbers equal to. Next question. Ahmed has 84 stickers. He distributes them equally among 6 of his friends. What is the share of each one? We can divide it 84 by 6. We know 6 times 8 equal 4. No. It's not 48. It's 84. Okay, 8 divided by 6 equal 1 and the remainder 2. 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Then each one take 14 stickers. We have 14 stickers. It's the total of each one. Chart of each one. Okay, next one we complete model number 5.